How to create colourful streak lines like this across an image. You must be wondering that, I'm certain you are. PC or Mac. You can see there, lots of colourful lines. Key starting point, a grey background. So go to Edit and Fill. And I'm just going to go for foreground. You can see my foreground colour is grey. Click OK. So I've got that. What I can now do, I'm just going to quickly zoom out a bit so I can actually see the entire document there. Just go over here to the single row marquee tool. Now, if you can't find it, just go down to the dots to find it there. Click on the document and see what happens. You get this lovely line of selection. It's just one pixel. Now I'm going to go to the rectangle tool and make sure it's pixel mode. And I'm going to go here again to the foreground, click there, and I'm just going to change the brightness just slightly. So +1, -1, perfectly reasonable. Click OK. And I'm just going to add 1 pixel very carefully if I can. And I've added it, hopefully. Very hard. You can hardly see it. Hardly see it. Once you've done that, go to Edit and Define Pattern. And then obviously give it a name. Click OK. And the reason for this, if you didn't do this, you would just end up with a 1 by 1 pixel pattern. That's not much use. What I want is the entire line. So deselect that and then go to Edit and Fill and go to down there to Pattern. Once you've got pattern, make certain you select the right pattern because quite often I do it and I end up using another one. And there's the pattern there. And you can see it's actually 1920 by 1 pixel. That's it. So script, make certain that's on to brick fill. Click OK. Takes a few seconds to process, should be reasonably fast. Make certain the pattern scale is set to 1, spacing 0, the offset to 0 as well, colour randomness 1, and brightness randomness 1 as well. Now you can of course change the angle if you want, but I'm going to go with 0. Click OK, and now there you have it. There it is. Nice lines, and if I zoom out you can see the whole thing. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Always add new tutorials all the time. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Any comments, please put them below. Always great to hear. Anything I've done wrong, done right, let me know. Thank you much.